Satnam. I'm Sukhwinder Kaur, and I'm so excited to be offering you a 4-session breath workshop, the Wild Heart Breathwork series. Peel back the layers of time through guided and focused journaling and the power of your breath. What is breathwork? Breathwork is basically the fastest way to get out of your head and get into your heart. It connects you to both your body and your intuition. And for many, it facilitates an emotional purge, leaving you feeling lighter and having more clarity. You're relearning how to live in your body and in your heart while establishing new pathways in the brain and cultivating emotional and relational intelligence. Breathwork is a healing modality that uses simple, controlled breath patterns to take you into a deep state of consciousness that provides a fast track to emotional healing. It works by oxygenating the body, increasing the blood flow, and bypassing the conscious mind. It's a quick way to move stuck energy that's in your body and allows you to tap into a deeply intuitive state. Breathwork is a holistic practice that helps us access parts of the body and the mind and our intuition that need deep healing. It works to offer release and relief and catharsis in a really short period of time. In a society that gives us very limited spaces for emotional catharsis, breathwork makes it available for us to access all that is locked inside of us. It shows us what we need to see in a safe and supportive environment in which we remain the director of our own experience. Breathwork is simple, but it's not to be fooled. It is powerful. Through this experience, I invite you to reconnect to your wild heart and transform your life. I look forward to breathing with you. Satnam.